If your Spectrum Wi-Fi isn't working, there are several potential reasons for the issue. One possibility is that there's an outage in your area, so it's a good idea to check with Spectrum to see if there are any reported outages in your zone. You can do this by contacting their support team or checking their website for updates. Additionally, you can download the My Spectrum app to receive timely updates through push notifications. Another reason for the issue could be that your router or modem is not properly connected. Loose cords or cables can cause router malfunctions, so make sure that everything is securely plugged into a functioning outlet. Verify that the internet cable is firmly connected to the correct port on the modem and that the modem and router are connected correctly. If none of these solutions work, try rebooting your devices, as this can help clear memory and fix minor bugs that may be interfering with your network. To do this, simply power cycle the modem and router, plugging in the modem first and waiting for it to boot before plugging in the router. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your Spectrum Wi-Fi up and running again.